right, there's the second load. There's the first load there. This is the second, well, technically third load, because the other load's in the barn. So, they're not too bad. Pretty happy with that. Old wagons did what they needed to do. So, next, all I gotta do is run the flail chopper over the stalks. And you do that tomorrow. But that'll do it for this video. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you follow along this far, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. I'd appreciate it. It helps us out. And also coming up, a little sneak peek, painting the barn. I already got this side done.